So guys, we're about to go shoot off fireworks for the 4th of July, woo, or Independence Day. And I got my little bow. This is like my favorite part, so cute. And, so we are just about to get started. So, hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you don't celebrate 4th of July or Independence Day, at least you can still enjoy the fireworks show. So, see you guys there. Bye. Ear piercing. Ear piercing.
Where you going, April?
That was one firework. We did another one, but it was really loud. So happy 4th of July.
What was that? You got number 3?
It was number 2.
What you doing? See what else we got here.
We got sparklers.
Who's here? You don't need those. You got a tank here.
Sparklers? Tank.
Need a tank?
Yeah. More tank. Then we have this tiny one right here. I thought that it would be cool.
I got a bag in here.
It like spins. It's called a jumping jet. These are called booby traps.
Alright.
Sorry if you're seeing dark for a second. Ooh, this one's gonna be loud. Ooh.
What happened there?
That's a small one.
Fell over.
No. It's a tank.
Oh. And then you want to share so you can get off the trampoline?
No.
Come on over here, baby.
That wasn't that good as the first one. The first one was really loud and like ear piercing. And I still have my little bow on. Look at Princess Band-Aid. We didn't have any normal Band-Aids. So, we're about to shoot off another one. Sorry for you guys if it's dark for a second. I think this is the same one. Ooh. Ooh. I don't like that. This is weird.
Are you talking to somebody?
Yes. Really loud.
Touch yours. Touch mine.
Jonathan! Mine's gone. Here, press the button again. Press the button. There's like smoke everywhere. M-E-G-A-N
Okay, here you go. Put it on this one here so you don't run out.
Happy July the 4th.
Happy July 4th. Hello, everybody. So, hope you guys enjoyed that fireworks show. Well, we kind of live in the city, not the city, but a little subdivision neighborhood, so we weren't allowed to shoot off really big ones, so we could still do those small ones. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to me. It's kind of weird since this is my second video. I'm doing already like fireworks and stuff. But since today was July 4th, I wear my cute little bow. That used to be Little Pepper's. His name's Pepper. He's a little Pomeranian. He's so sweet. And since he went to the groomers, he got this little bow. But I kind of stole it. He didn't really like it though. Since he is a he and I'm a her, I think I should get the bow. Right? Right. Nall's over there playing with my mommy's feet. And so, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, bye. And happy 4th of July or Independence Day. And if you don't celebrate it, at least you could still enjoy the fireworks. So, bye everybody. Mwah!